I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into the exact Google account you use for Meet. This is crucial because Meet reads your Google profile. Once signed in, go straight to your Google account page via your avatar or My Account. Google.com and choose Personal Info. Make sure you have permission to change the profile name. If this is a managed account, your admin might restrict edits. Now locate the name field so you're ready to edit. This first step guarantees the change will propagate into Meet. Next, click the Name section and tap the Edit pencil to change your first and last name. You should pick a clear, professional display name because Meet shows this to participants. Avoid excessive symbols or emojis that some systems filter. After typing the new name, hit Save and review the confirmation prompt. Once done, the change writes to your Google profile and will begin propagating. Give it a few minutes. If you use multiple accounts, make sure you change the correct one before ending this step. Finally, verify the update by joining a test Meet or refreshing Meet. Google.com, your new name should appear in the participant list and on the video tile. If it doesn't update right away, sign out and back in or clear your browser cache to force a refresh. For school or work accounts, if edits are blocked, contact your admin because they control profile settings. One key troubleshooting tip. Changes may take several minutes to replicate across devices. Wait, and then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.